Okay, so today we're going to assemble a Trapinator Mustelid Tunnel. So we'll open it up here. First thing we find are the contents. We've got a DOC 200 trap here. We've got a pack which contains the clips to hold the screens in the tunnel, a pack of screens, and some screws and nuts. So let's go ahead and start assembling it. First thing we're going to do is take the tunnel top here, and you'll notice it's got a cutaway area here. So with that, we're going to grab our bag of screens and inspect our bag of screens. So there's 3 screens in the pack. So first thing you'll notice is that 2 of the screens have different cutaway areas. So if you count the cutaway areas here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the other screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first thing we're going to do is take the shortest screen and match that up with the front entrance cutout, which is on here, facing it in the same direction. We're going to place it in there, and then we're going to take the clips that were provided, take them out of the bag, and holding the screen to this direction here, furthest away, the clip has 3 positions for the screen to fit in. So we're going to fit the screen by the front door here to this edge here. Once again, the other clip on the other side. Right, now we're going to take the screen which had the 6 cutouts, and the reason for that is to allow for the height of the trap, and place it in the opposite direction to this door cutout so that the pest has to run off set there. Place that in here. Then we're going to take the clips and this time put it into the center of the clip here. Same thing again with this one. Then the end screen is completely blanked out. We're going to put it down the other end here like that. Taking the clips again and putting it to the furthest edge here. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is secure our trap to the base provided here. So the first thing we notice is that there's 2 location points here, one for a DOC 200 and one for a DOC 150. You also have 4 location points here if you want to use hold down pins to secure the base to the earth. Over here we have an egg holder. If you want to use a fresh egg as a lure, you can use that there, or if you're so choosing to use something like a dried rabbit meat, you can then use the bait holder provided and stuff the bait inside here and place it in this position over here. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and secure our trap to the base using the right location points here. So we flip it over here using the nuts provided, placing them in the holes like this, and we flip it back over here like this. Get our DOC 200, place it here like this. The 2 stainless screws provided. We'll now place them in the holes here and proceed to firmly tighten them down. Making sure that the trap is firmly secured. So you place your foot inside here. Using the wire grip here, you'll pull this up. Use this other hand here as support. Pull that over the top of the Wellington trigger and slowly let it back into position. Now the trap is set. I'm going to deset this one now while holding it. It's now deset. Okay, so don't use this piece of wire here to rest on the top of this edge here. That's a common mistake lots of people seem to make out in the field. They seem to think that that's the location point for the top of the Wellington trigger. It isn't. Okay, so now we're going to mount the top onto the base, which is a pretty simple process. A couple of hinges there. That's it connected there now, and you could now close the tunnel. That's now closed. If you want to secure the tunnel, there's a screw provided as well, and you can screw the tunnel down here on this side here to lock it down so nobody can open it. So this is what the pest is going to see on the way in, front door. So it's going to come in here, and then to slow it down, that's what's offset. Turn and face directly over the treadle before it's killed. Also, when you're going to clear the trap, you have a safety clip. Put your foot in here like this. You pull this up here like that. Putting a safety clip into position and remove it afterwards when you're finished clearing the pest. So that's how you do it.